Welcome to this BI Quick Tip. For more background on the BI tool, please visit our Help Files website.
In this video, we'll go over the other features of the toolbar for Power BI dashboards. The toolbar has plenty of helpful features and can be located at the top of every dashboard. This video is mainly for consumers. From our Power BI homepage, we'll go to Apps. Then for this case scenario, we'll click on the Incident Management dashboard. At the top, we'll see our toolbar here. Starting with Comment, we'll be able to leave a general comment on the dashboard. We can type our comment in here, or if we want to notify a specific person, we'll put an @ symbol and begin typing in their seaweed. We can click their name once you see it pop up. After you finish typing in your comment, click on Post. If you notified a specific person in your comment, they would receive an email notification. You will also receive an email notification for when they reply back, and you can check your comments to see their response. Next, we can reset the entire dashboard back to default by clicking this icon. Afterwards, just click on Reset and you will see the dashboard change in real time back to default. The bookmark icon allows you to capture the dashboard with changes. You can create a personal bookmark by clicking here. Now you can begin typing a name for that personal bookmark. It will capture the dashboard in the exact state that it's in. Click on Save once you are finished. Bookmarks are very useful if you mainly view the dashboard for your specific settings. For example, let's say I mainly use this dashboard to look at ACG operations. I can create a personal bookmark for that and make it the default view every time I open the dashboard by clicking here. Now, if we relog in back to the dashboard, we'll see the bookmark that we marked as our default view, which we labeled as ACG operations. If we want to change the bookmark to any other personal bookmark that we made, we can click on that specific one here using the bookmark icon.
Thank you for watching this episode of the BI Quick Tips series. You can find all BI Quick Tip videos on the Help Files website. Until next time.